Like, subscribe and ring the bell icon. And don't forget to share. Well, the formation happened for 1 million years, and by the time we saw it, a couple of million years passed. That's 3 million light years. Black hole. An object so dense that even light can't pass its gravity. Theories are that they may be the doors to parallel universes, cause of the Big Bang, or the Big Crunch. Light can't escape a black hole's gravity, and such an interesting topic can't escape mine. So, today, oh shit. A star has hundreds and thousands of tons of mass. In the core of stars, nuclear fusion crushes hydrogen atoms to produce helium and releases tremendous energy and as radiation. This radiation acts against the gravity. As long as the fusion goes on, gravity and radiation remain stable. Our sun is a small star compared to others. In the case of larger stars, the heat and pressure formed creates different heavy metals. When it creates iron, the problem begins, as creating iron doesn't generate energy. After a certain amount of iron is created, the fusion cannot produce radiation, which unstables this balance. In a fraction of a second, the core of the star collapses. See, there is 99.99% empty space in everything. When the core collapses, all its 99.99% empty space is filled up with mass. During the collapse, the elements created blast out in the supernova explosion. This phenomenon results in a neutron star. But if the star is massive, then the result is a black hole. Just after the black hole is created, it eats up all the matter which it threw out in the supernova. There are 4 types of black holes: stellar, intermediate, miniature, and supermassive. The black holes of which we are scared are the stellar black holes. These small black holes stretch all the matter they eat. I mean, that's just so painful. The supermassive black holes are the largest. They are present in the center of every galaxy. Well, if you didn't know, we are revolving around the black hole. But don't get scared. First of all, we are far away, and these black holes don't actually eat anything. Matter just revolves around it. As I said, the gravity of a black hole is so strong that even light can't escape it. This is also the reason we didn't have any images of the black holes, and the one which we have is so blurred. So this is just the basic information of a black hole. If you have been watching my videos for a while, then you might know that I love starting from the beginning. So let's begin. When I say beginning, I start from BCE, but a black hole is such a deep topic that we don't find any writings about it. There are some references, but they are not clear. So I'll tell you the important one. Kanchipuram's underground black hole temple. Wait, what? Black hole temple? Yes, you heard it right. The name of this temple is Karunkuzi, which is the Tamil word for black hole. I hope I pronounced it right. If you know Praveen Mohan, he has visited this temple and vlogged it. Do watch his video for more information. And now, the beginning of the concept of space-time singularity. It all started with John Mitchell. On the basis of the description of gravity given by Sir Isaac Newton, John Mitchell proposed the theory that a massive object could exist in space who has such a strong gravitational pull that even light cannot escape it. Then, in 1796, a scientist, Pierre Simon Laplace, stated his views on the nature of black holes. He said that as even light cannot pass a black hole, it won't emit any light, so we won't be able to see it. Going from 1796 to 1915, in this year, Albert Einstein stated the general theory of relativity. It states that there is a space-time fabric across the universe on which the matter is embedded. The heavier the object, the more it bends this fabric, attracting other bodies. Have a look at this image. You can see the difference between the weight of our sun, a neutron star and a black hole. By the way, there is something more heavier than the black hole which is way down there, the subscribe button. Click it and make it grey. Now just how birds without feathers, bow without an arrow and no way home without Andrew and Toby. A video on black holes will be incomplete without the great Stephen Hawking. After Einstein, the major work on black holes was done by this great man and his equation is embedded on his grave. The first image of the black hole which we got was when it was eating a star, because that's when any kind of light can be emitted by them. Black holes were theoretical objects until 1971 when scientists spotted an invisible companion of a star called Cygnus X1 in the constellation Cygnus. And we got our first image of a black hole in April 2019. It is in the center of a galaxy called M87 and it is 55 million light years away. So this whatever you can see right now happening in the image, it is actually 55 million years ago. So at that time dinosaurs were living on this planet. Now let's come to the theories related to black holes. Now I think you all know what is a spider-verse, multiverse, parallel universes. They are universes in which parallel forms of you are subscribing this video right now. So according to the theory, if you enter a black hole from our universe, it may happen that you end up in another universe. Crazy, right? As scientists say that the universe was born from a singularity. So the singularity which is inside the black holes might be the one. Another one says that there can be entire universes existing inside a black hole. Black hole is an interesting topic. And right now we have very less information about it. Few decades back we didn't even know whether they existed or no. And even after getting the images, we don't know much about them. So with that being said, we end today's video over here. If you have any questions, then watch the comment section for. Give the video a like, subscribe and smash the bell icon down there. Also share a lot. Follow me on Instagram where I upload video related updates and some other stuff. Signing out, Vyom Not.